she can know where we're going. Let's see. Here's the women's. Passing the women's. There's jewelry over there. Eventually we'll find it. Oh, cute Halloween leggings, hats, wallets, jewelry. This is Walmart on Pacific. That's a cute necklace right there. Sunglasses. Dan says it was by the clocks, so I don't know. Maybe they moved it from where it used to be. Where did it used to be?
They had it in the candle section.
They had it in the candle section and not anymore. 5 years ago, he says that they had it in the candle section. Oh, those are so cute. Yeah. Stupid McDonald's, the credit card thing was down, so we can't eat here, which sucks. Where are they? Here's clocks.
Yeah, but this doesn't have.
Where is it? We're looking for white noise machines. Are they here? White noise. They go, you sleep, you put them in and you sleep. Are they by the candles?
By the candles.
Okay, they moved them again?
18.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
H18. By the candles. Right there, huh? Right, you just passed it. Here they are. See, look, here's liquid stuff, candles,
I got these in the wrong section.
and now they're down here. See? It's that one right there. There's a bunch of different prices. Look, this one's $19.97. I think that one says $29.97, but I don't know. There's only two. There's two different styles here. So that's probably the one you want to get. If not, then that one. That one has a clock radio. Okay. Bye.